In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install Discord on Windows 10. So let's just jump into it. So what you need to do is you need to open up a web browser. Right now I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any web browser really. Then what you need to do is search for Discord. I'm using Google, so we're just going to search for Discord here, and it should bring up the Discord website. The one we want to go to is discord.com, which is the main Discord website. So once you're on discord.com, you can actually use Discord on your computer's web browser if you don't want to download it. But to download it, click download for Windows, and it's then going to download this Discord setup file. This is a 59 megabyte file, so it shouldn't take long to go and download. So once it's downloaded here, we can go and run this file here. So just click on it and it should then open up Discord. Just give it a minute for it to load and it should open it up eventually. So here we go, we are now loading up Discord. You can see it's now starting, checking for updates, and you should see this as well. So now Discord is open, we can now log in with our email and password, or if you haven't made an account yet, you can click on register and you can go ahead and make an account. I'm just going to log in real quickly to my account. So now we're going to click on login and it's now going to take us inside of our Discord account. So here is Discord, that's how you can install it. I hope that video did help you out.